Joining me today is Sashi. He won MasterChef Season 10.
Yes.
I'm so happy you're here. Last time I saw you, you were actually doing a food demonstration and you were making this amazing dish. I just had to get you on to make it for everyone else.
This is one of my hot selling dish in my pop-up restaurant back in Melbourne. So this is called Kerala pepper chicken with a easy roti. So this is so easy that you can whip it up in 5 minutes.
That's what I like to hear.
Yes. So firstly, I'm going to start with the curry paste. So for the curry paste, there's a fair bit of things going in. So you have garam masala, you got pepper.
Lots of pepper.
Cinnamon, turmeric, I love turmeric, coriander, crushed pot of cardamom, and chili powder. And goes a bit of ginger and garlic paste.
Nice. Oh, that smells good.
And I'm using malt vinegar.
Right, why is that?
It gives a nice acidity and a bit of smokiness to the dish.
Nice.
So when they cook down the onion, you can smell the smokiness from the malt vinegar.
Speaking of onions, the onion that you've got in here, you've pureed.
Yes. So what I've done is I've got one onion. Half of it I pureed it. Other half I'm going to slice it. So since we mentioned about it, myself, you can start slicing.
Sure thing.
Okay, so I'm going to mix the curry paste all together.
So Kerala, that's actually a region in India. Is that correct?
Yes, Kerala is part of South India.
Right.
This dish actually was done because of my wife.
Really?
Because my wife is from Kerala. And the recipes when I created in hawker for Gaja by Sashi, each dish was dedicated to each family member.
Oh, what a lovely story. Well, this is going to be extra tasty. It's paying homage to your wife.
She's going to be coming after me. You say my name. Okay, so the pan is hot now.
Okay.
For this dish, I'm using coconut oil. Kerala is well known for the coconut. So pretty much most of the ingredients, you will have coconut in some form or way. So it's about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You need an oil that has high smoking point because this is going to be like a dry roast.
Right, okay.
So once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the curry paste.
Good sizzle.
Yes.
That spice mix smelt nice when it wasn't in the oil, but when it's in the oil, the whole kitchen smells incredible. It smells like Kerala in here.
Yes. So let it cook for a good 1 to 2 minutes. Later, I'm going to add some onion and curry leaf.
Okay.
So in the meanwhile, you can chop up some chicken for me.
Sure. So you're choosing chicken thigh for this?
Yes. Mainly because I like them to be juicy. Since it's cooking in the curry paste for a good 5 to 10 minutes.
And Sashi, how would you like this cut?
Just dice them into 1 to 2 cm pieces.
Sure.
So I've had some curry leaf to the paste and let it cook for a while. Then now I'm going to add the sliced onions. So for this kind of dry curries, I don't add much water because you're going to get the water from the onion. Then when you add the chicken into the dish, chicken also gives out a lot of moisture. And you're going to get nice dry curry.
Smells fantastic.
Okay, the curry paste looks good.
Okay.
So can we add the chicken?
Sure can. Chicken in.
Give a good mix.
This is a very quick curry to do. Do in the middle of the week for the whole family.
If you have all the ingredients on your shelf, less than half an hour, this curry is done.
Very nice.
And you can easily feed 2 to 3 people.
Good one. Nice.
So I'm going to just let it cook for about good 5 to 6 minutes. So while that's happening, we can do the roti.
Okay, I'm excited about this, making roti from scratch.
Yes.
And you said it's easy.
Very easy. This can be done in less than 5 minutes. Trust me. So I'm going to add about 100 grams of flour.
Okay. And how many rotis does this make?
This makes about 2 rotis.
Okay.
Depending on the size of rotis you're going to make. Easily can make 2 to 3 rotis. A pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon of oil.
So 4 ingredients to make homemade roti.
So for this, usually it's about 4 to 6 tablespoons of yogurt. But some flour reacts differently to liquid. So I'm not going to add all the yogurt together.
Sure.
So I'll add bit by bit and I will mix it in.
And then you can show me the consistency of the dough.
For this, we are looking at a very soft dough. I think the hand is the best tool.
Absolutely. Did you ever make a roti from scratch on MasterChef when you were on there?
Yes, I did a few times.
Yeah.
It didn't turn out well.
It didn't turn out well. Oh, what happened?
No, I did a few times. Only once when it was a disaster. The rest were pretty all right.
I love your honesty, Sashi.
I think you can add all the yogurt.
Sure.
Okay.
There you go.
And can I get a little bit more flour just to finish up?
And this is exactly how you said it should be. You add a little more until you get the right consistency. So it should be a little sticky just like this?
Yes, it should be a sticky dough, like it sticks to your fingers.
Yep.
And I'm going to dust a bit of flour on the board and portion them out.
Okay, I'll move that.
Yep.
There we go.
Okay, so this goes onto the board. Give it a good light roll. Then easily you can make about 2 rotis for this.
Yeah, we don't want to make 4 because 1 each. I want a big one.
Yeah, I don't want to share anybody. So that's it.
So you're just patting it out. You don't need a rolling pin or anything like that.
Just patting it out.
Yep.
So the roti is ready. I want to add a little bit of oil to the pan.
Okay.
Then gently lift it out on the board and it goes into the pan for a good 1 to 2 minutes until it gets nice and golden at the bottom.
Sounds delightful. Well, how about we clean all this down and then we're ready to plate up?
Yes, we are almost done. Okay, the roti is ready. So I'm gonna plate up the roti and the chicken. So in the meanwhile, Justin, can you help me with the garnish?
Sure can.
I'll get some corianders and thinly slice some chilies. Yeah, it's mainly for some nice, beautiful color. You know, you'll be fresh, green and red colors popping out from the curry.
Nice one.
Beautiful.
And that bread is so soft and
It's a very
golden.
soft bread.
It's very nice. So just on the top?
Just on the top, a little bit of chili.
A little bit. That's enough.
That's enough, more than enough. Okay, and that's it. It's the Kerala pepper chicken with roti.
Paying homage to your lovely wife.
Yeah, he's for my wife.
I can't wait to try this. It smells fantastic and I know it's going to taste as good. Take a little bit off there. And the best way to do this is probably not with a fork, is to...
Use your hand, get a bit of the bread. Look how soft the bread is.
So soft.
Let me know how it is. That is the sound I want to hear.
This is a sensational curry. And the flavours, I can taste the pepper, and you're supposed to taste the pepper, it's prominent in it, but so aromatic, and it goes so well
with the soft roti.
With the roti bread. Roti bread, who would have thought? 4 ingredients, really, put together, a great accompaniment to go with a dry curry like that. Oh, Sashi, no wonder why you weren't MasterChef.